Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Chaos Space Marines Accursed Cultists. Now, this unit is very, very fun. Huge thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. And wow, it is 8 Citadel miniatures. They are all freaky looking, like everyone. Like there's some of them look like Chaos, like regular cultists, but they're all, freaking out. The one with the wings, that's craziness. But yeah, so these are available for pre-order. Let me know if you guys want to see some tutorials on painting various aspects of these models, going for particular effects. Let me know down below if you want to see tutorials. By the time I'm posting this video, I'm sure I've already filmed 1 or 2 things, so be sure to check out my playlist on fresh tips. But yeah, look at this. Look at these guys. This big guy is crazy, and this guy here, he's like, I don't know, it's like some sort of crazy monster. They're just too darn fun. This guy's got big tentacles popping out of him. Oh my gosh, like, ooh, this guy's got a big mouth coming out. It looks like out of the thing. It's craziness. Let's dive in. Let's have a look. Let's see what we get with this box of miniatures. Oh man, jeez, I'm trying not to cut myself here. Let's dive in, dive in, dive in, diving into a box of minis. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm sure everybody really appreciates the lousy singing, but anyway, it's really just to fill time, dead air, as it were. There's no bases, transfers. No bases, no transfers. All right, fine, be that way. All right, so we get a whole bunch of bases. We get what, 25 mils. And 3, what are they, like 30, 40 mils? 40 mils, I think, probably. Get the instruction booklet. Get all the various options of assembling these models. Very, very cool. All the mutants, all the torments. Oh, man. The one with the wings, man, that's just craziness. It's craziness. Alert, don't glue it. Why shouldn't you glue it? Oh, because the way it's got to get assembled in? It would be rather unfortunate which direction this head came out from the lower half of the torso, basically between those legs. Anyway, so it gives you the rules, tells you how to assemble them. Let's have a look at the frames. First frame is this small one here. Comes with 2 frames. Big thing of wings. All sorts of detail. Wow, look at all the texture on these things. These are crazy. I dig them. I mean, like, man, like you can't tell what one part ends and where another part begins, like where it's placed. Like if you lost the instructions to this kit, you would be hard pressed to put these models together, because like, how do you like, where's this one head go? Does the head go over here? Does it go over there? You don't know. It's like, oh my God, like, no, this is craziness. Oh yeah, look at this guy. Oh man. Oh yeah, I might have to put a few of these guys together. I really, really like all the details. I like that they don't have God-specific icons on them. They got tons of very familiar details as far as Chaos is concerned. You know, when you get into this age and the length of Games Workshop's Warhammer 40,000, you know, you start to see kind of repeated and borrowed styles on other models. Like, for example, like if you have tentacles, well, it's going to look like something from Chaos, or, you know, something along those lines. And then like you also get like, you know, the Tyranids, right? Where you have like the scything talons and the claws and the armor and the chitin and all these things. And it's really interesting how they basically don't repeat those same kind of aesthetics across other models. I'm sure you get very small hints of it, but like, for example, like this possessed guy's claw arm, like you could easily assume that they would just simply take a Tyranid's you know, scything talon or whatever, and then just basically, you know, make it fit this model. But no, they go ahead and sculpt a completely different design, a style. And yeah, I think that's really, really awesome that they go through that kind of trouble to, you know, stay consistent within their own miniature lines. But yeah, very, very cool. And of course, you know, all the wings for Chaos always have holes in the wings. I don't know why. Like, I don't know how you fly when you got a bunch of holes in your wings, but whatever. I mean, he's only got 1 wing, so I don't think they're really flying. But then again, they're Chaos, so Could they float? Could chaos fly with one wing? I'm going to assume yes, but let me know. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. You'll be taken off to a magical website called Patreon, where there are various tiers of support. A huge thank you to everybody who supports and their continued support. Take care of your brushes. They'll take care of you. And I will see you guys in the next exciting unboxing or useless review. Or, of course, I do a bunch of shorts daily. You know what? I'm just making videos all the time. So enjoy.